ফ্যাট বার্নিং যোগা 10 মিনিট সারাদিনে আপনার হেলথকে ইমপ্রুভ করতে সাহায্য করবে, মেটাবলিজমকে ইনক্রিজ করতে সাহায্য করবে, ক্যালোরি বার্ন করতে সাহায্য করবে, আরও অনেক বেশি এনার্জেটিক করবে। চলুন প্র্যাকটিস করি বিগিনার ফ্রেন্ডলি ওয়েট লুজ যোগা। ও Inhale, raise your hands, spine straight. Exhale down. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Slowly down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale, exhale, bend. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend. Inhale, center. Exhale down. Neck up and down. Slowly. Inhale up. Slowly chest to chin. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chest to chin. Side by side, exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend. Roll your shoulders slowly, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Come to table, cat and cow pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chest to chin. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, chest to chin. Sit in Vajrasan. Then start tiger pose. Alternate hand and leg up. Balance and focus. Don't hold the breath. Engage your core. Both the side. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Pedal your feet. Upper body stretch. Go to Falakasana. Balance, engage your core. Go to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Upward facing dog. Go to Bhujanga. Slowly come to Valasana, rest. Slowly stand. Trikonasana bend. Exhale, look up. Other side, look up, bend. One more time. Bend, look up. Konasana. Twist your spine, look up. Inhale center, feel the twist in your spine region and core area. With a smile, feel the stretch. Go to downward facing dog, leg up. Asvasanchalan. Go to Anjani Asana. Beginner friendly. Push your front leg up, leg change, leg up, left leg, Asvasanchalan. Go to Anjaniya. Inhale, exhale, forward leg, Virabhadrasana 1, warrior pose, warrior 2, Virabhadrasana 2, leg change, inhale, warrior 1 and warrior 2. Exhale down, rest in Balasana. Vajrasana, lengthen your leg and lengthen your spine. Inhale, look up, exhale down, chin up. Inhale, look up, exhale down. Feel the stretch in your neck region. Hold the big toe, then slowly down, chest to chin, and hold the posture. Next, go to boat pose or Naukasana. Engage your core. Excellent exercise for your core area. Belly fat. Reduce your belly fat quickly. Engage your core. Focus. Hold the posture. One more time. Slowly lie down. Go to Pavan Muktasana, one leg, another leg, both the leg. Hold and stay. Twist spine, relax your spine. Center, exhale, bend. Feel the stretch in your spine area. With a smile. Very good for lower back health. Now, happy baby pose. Ananta Balasana. Kettle pose. Now lie down in Savasana. Very important. Toes falling apart and relax. Slowly up, eyes closed. Few more breathing. Kapalbhati. Start Kapalbhati. Chin Mudra. Exhale from nose. Forcefully exhalation from nose only. Don't focus on your inhalation. Only exhalation. Continue for 2 to 3 minutes. Then try Agni Kriya. Exhale completely. Hold chest to chin and flap your belly. Inhale. Exhale completely. Hold the chin to chest and flap your belly. And last but not the least important, Anulom Bilom. Inhale from right, Exhale from left. Left hand Chin Mudra. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Anulom Vilom, reset our nervous system. Thanks to God. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.